Ready? Hello.
Mom, I can't do it.
What did you get?
A kangaroo.
How come you got your kangaroo before everyone else did?
Cause I got it to me.
Guys, what?
Cause Daddy gave it to me. I love you this much.
I love you this much.
This
Guys,
much.
so
This
Esme was awake last night when we got home. We got home at like 11 o'clock at night and she was awake, so she got her kangaroo early. So we are going to go give the girls the rest of their presents. We made it home after 27 hours of straight traveling. But we are excited. Yes? What?
Come on, sis.
It was an awesome reunion. We were super excited to see the girls and they loved seeing us. So.
And check this out. This is what we came home to. Snow! It is literally pounding out there. Yeah. Is it snowing today? We're gonna have to go outside and play, huh, girls? Okay. Oh, there's Manny. Hi, Manny. Thank you. Okay, Mom. Open it up. We had to get like 3 new bags.
Mom's gonna hand them
Because
to
we
you,
bought
so
so
everyone
many
go sit by Essie.
souvenirs. Oh, just let them
Go
dig
sit by
at them.
Essie.
Just
well,
let
it's
them go
not.
to town.
It's not all there, so I want to make sure.
Yeah, it's pretty much all there.
Oh!
Whoa! What did you get, girls? A koala! Oh my gosh! Get your kangaroos! Oh, you got a My Little Pony too? Guess what? Guess what? That turns on. It turns on and it walks. You can walk your little pony. It turns on. Yeah, open it.
Can you open
Yeah, have Manny Ash help you. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, that's your kangaroo pie. Yeah. We got it just for you. Mom's got your pony in there. Don't worry, it's in there.
Daddy, can you know how to untangle?
Yep, we need to have Manny Ash help you untangle that. And then we need to put some batteries in it. And then we can take them for a little
Got
walk.
batteries, and look, we got you girls these too.
Oh, look at that. Bondi Beach. Ah! Yeah. That's Manny Ash's.
This one's Nanny's.
That one's Nanny Ash's.
Nanny.
That one's, you get a present, Nanny. Well, if we would have known you wanted a little pony, we would have got you that instead. Okay,
All right,
you're
what do you
next.
have?
Okay, now push this
Barley. Look at that face. Is that cool? What do you think? It works. That's cool. All right, Ez, what you got? Ezzy, that's awesome. It's walking with you. Evie, what do you have? Are you getting excited?
Okay, Abby, you ready? Put it right here. Okay, now push the button.
Oh, really?
Oh, go for the walk. Yeah.
What is that? Is that cool?
You love it, Barney?
Oh, these aren't going to be annoying at all.
What are you going to name it?
What? They think they're pretty cool. That's all that matters. Guys, it's real loud in here right now. They all got My Little Pony going at the same time. We've got a winter wonderland. We just came from beautiful sunny New Zealand and now we're in a winter wonderland. How crazy is that? And we are just so happy to be home with these girls. We missed you. Hey, 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 I missed you. All right, Andy. Can you do it? Andy! Look at that. She's smiling.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it go.
Oh.
Hey, hey, who's winning the race? Who's the most excited for Mom and Dad to be home? Ezzy.
He's going to you.
It's going to me. Abort, abort. Take all batteries out. Ah, it's getting me. Ah, I'm scared.
He's going to you.
Meanwhile, outside, it is a winter wonderland. Home sweet home.
All right, guys, a little bit of change up from Australia and New Zealand weather. Now we're home, and it is pounding snow. Look at this. We're supposed to get snow all day. It is coming down. It's the nice, thick, heavy snowflakes. So, Mom, I think we better make a snowman or something today.
I think I will watch from inside because my body's still on New Zealand weather.
She's not gonna make it out here.
I'm not
The
ready.
girls are really anxious though. They've been out here dancing around on the deck. They saw the snow and it's like their favorite thing. So
Man, you can get out in the snow.
you're gonna take that out in the snow? You're crazy. Oh, it's good to be home, you guys. It's good to be home.
I got you another present, Nanny. Let's see. I think I have an idea. They had a UK candy shop in the mall, and I ran faster than my entire life. I knew she'd like those. All right, guys, it is cold and snowy, and the girls are super whiny, and Mom and Dad are super whiny because we're jet lagged.
Hey, muddy puddles.
But Nanny Ash took the girls sledding for a minute. Did you go sledding?
Yeah.
And it was super cold, and they whined the whole time. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we promised the girls that we would take them to the Cooker Man when we got home, and they have been talking about it
Get sissies.
for a long time. So
sit down
we're
right
going to the Cooker Man, regardless of what we wanted to do. Where are we? Did you demand to go to the Cooker Man? Yeah.
All right, guys. So you knew that we were coming to our favorite place upon our return.
Cooker Man.
The Cooker Man. We haven't had the noodles since before we left, which is funny. I think we had them the day before we left, and now we're having them the day after we got back.
It's snowing.
Oh, you did? It is snowing. Girls went and did a little sledding today. Ash, how did it go? That's not what I heard from you earlier.
So good.
So that was sarcastic. They just whined the entire time, and we are here now. I think they're hungry. They didn't eat breakfast. Did they eat breakfast?
I think they had cereal, maybe.
Okay, they did not eat breakfast because I got them cereal and they took like 2 bites. So yeah, I know I got you cereal, but you didn't eat any.
Well, that's good. They'll eat all of their noodles.
And I eat every cereal.
You did?
Hopefully they have a good lunch because everybody's really whiny and grumpy, including Mom and Dad. I don't think we got very much sleep last night.
Abby, you ate what?
I eat all the unicorn. Hey, Mama.
All the unicorn?
Is this one his wings? It's white.
Abby, how can you eat all the unicorn?
Because Daddy gave me it.
Daddy give it to you? All right. Abby, what are you eating right now? Mushroom.
He's eating the whole table's mushroom.
Yep.
Mama, look, hello.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, is Mommy salad here?
Hey, I want your lettuce.
You want my lettuce? All right. Oh, well, okay, that's not what I meant, but all right. All right, Barley.
I want lettuce.
Okay, we're all gonna share. Who loves salad? You do? Yummy. Yummy, salad girls. Abby, are you loving salad too?
Good Daddy. Oh,
Andy just was missing her daddy, apparently.
it's gonna show with me again. Thank you, Em.
Thank you, Ed.
Thank you, Scarlett.
Aw, that's sweet, girls. I love when you share and you say thank you.
How are those noodles, Indy? Are they yummy? You gonna stir your own? Oh, good job, babe. Is it good? You know how to blow. You're getting so big. How does it taste?
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, Ez, you know how to do it too? Mom doesn't have to do it for you anymore. That looks so yummy. No, Abby's sitting right here. She just had to go potty, okay? She'll be right back.
Sit by Mama.
You can sit by Mama, though. Come on, Ash. Ah, making you dive for it.
Hey, where you going?
I got new gloves.
Where you going? I got new gloves. I got new gloves.
What's your name?
You're silly. All right, where you going? You gonna go help Daddy shovel?
Yeah.
You guys, we got like 5 inches of snow today. We have had like the biggest snowstorm in like 2 years. It's insane. Hey Dad, do you wanna come take these YouTube followers over there and show them what's happening?
Yeah, I think I should because it's crazy. Yeah, we went from 75 and like beautiful back to like freezing cold. But I've got my little helpers though, check this out. Hello girls! Do I get this? Use this one right here for Dad. Okay, we got the girls. Evie's got her digging shovel. You gotta pick it up and sweep it side to side. You gotta sweep it side to side, sis. There's some serious snow. Look at this. It is like packed high. All right, anyways, this is where we're at, and this is what we're gonna be doing probably for the next hour. The only problem is it's kind of freezing cold out here. But I got the helpers. We're in business. Okay, look who made it home. Bentley came home to see us. And Evie has not stopped giving him kisses.
She's like, oh.
Bentley spent the week over at Grandma's house, who is squeezing on these girls right now. Mom, was Bentley good?
He was so good.
He's a good boy?
Yeah, we gave him a bath.
I can tell he had a bath. He looks all cuddly and smoochy. Look at that. Oh, he gave you kisses. He sneaks kisses in.
I still stand. Bad idea on the ponies.
Yeah. They haven't stopped. Listen to that all day long. Indy, do you love that pony? Yeah. All right, guys, it has been kind of a crazy day getting back and getting situated. We had a good day, kind of getting back on the horse with the girls, but a little bit of an early bedtime today. I don't think really anybody got any sleep last night, so Mom and I are looking forward to like a full night's sleep. The girls are gonna crash hard. I think they've been going strong all day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog back home in Utah, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow.